In 1977, two spacecraft set out on a long journey from Earth. Their mission was to gather information about planets beyond our solar system and transmit it to scientists. They provided us with close-up photos of the gas giant Jupiter. However, today it has been 47 years since their launch. At that time, we had less advanced technology than we have today's mobile phones. Despite having such low technology comparatively, these spacecraft have been flying through the vast expanses of space for the last 47 years and are exploring the mysterious area. Even today, they continue to move forward in space. According to scientists, they are now beyond the solar system and at distances measured not in millions, but in billions of kilometers. You might be wondering how they are progressing and who is guiding them from so far away. Can these spacecraft still take pictures from there and send them to us? For how many more days can they travel? And how do scientists billions of kilometers away on Earth establish contact with these two spacecraft? Today's video is really unique and full of information. So, make sure to watch it till the end. You are watching Cosmic Discovery. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos on space exploration. Friends, let's talk about the year 1970. At that time, scientists only knew about the inner planets of the solar system. They had no idea at all about the gas giant planets in the solar system. However, in 1965, NASA scientists came across an interesting discovery. It turned out that after 175 years, the 4 planets of our solar system were going to align in a straight line. And this was an extremely important revelation for scientists. When it came to planning, there was no better opportunity for the scientists because now they could research all 4 planets using a single spacecraft. This was the best opportunity for the researchers as they could move the spacecraft forward. A lot of fuel could be saved by using the gravitational pull of the planets to increase their power. Therefore, scientists planned 2 missions, whose objective was to study these planets of the solar system closely and provide information to the scientists. Both of these missions, the names were Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The Voyager 2 spacecraft was launched in August 1977. It has studied almost all the planets outside our solar system. The video you are watching on your screen was captured by this spacecraft in 1989. This was the first time we were seeing the planet Neptune up close. Neptune is located about 4 billion kilometers away from the Sun, and you might be surprised to know that since its discovery, Neptune has not completed a single orbit around the Sun. This will give you an idea of how long its orbit is. The Voyager 2 spacecraft is considered one of the best spacecraft ever built by humans. Now you might be wondering how far away it is from the Earth at present. Well, Voyager 2 is currently 134 astronomical units away from Earth, and 1 astronomical unit is equal to 150 million kilometers. In simple words, it is now about 20 billion kilometers away from us. If it continues its journey through the universe in the coming years, it will reach the nearest star system to our solar system called Proxima Centauri. This star system is within our galaxy. Even within this star system, scientists have discovered planets that may have conditions suitable for life. Some studies even suggest the presence of water on these planets. Now, it is not an easy task for scientists to control the spacecraft located so far away. When it was launched, our technology was limited, and we could not even imagine such advanced capabilities at that time. The Voyager 2 spacecraft are a testament to human ingenuity and remarkable achievements in space exploration. Friends, from 1977 to now, the Voyager 2 spacecraft has provided scientists with a lot of information. It studied Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and real photos of these planets were taken for the first time by Voyager 2 and its companion Voyager 1 spacecraft. Initially, the mission of these spacecraft was limited to this, but after successfully completing their primary mission, these astronauts were entrusted with the responsibility of gathering information beyond our solar system. As Voyager 2 moved through the solar system, it turned its cameras back toward Earth. The resulting image became incredibly famous as the pale blue dot. This image is still widely recognized on the internet because it was the first time the human species had seen Earth from such a great distance. Looking at that tiny dot, you can really grasp the fact that there are billions of people living on that tiny dot in space. After capturing this iconic image, scientists decided to deactivate the Voyager 1 spacecraft's cameras to preserve its instruments. However, after reaching beyond the solar system, Voyager 2 recorded a sound from interstellar plasma waves, which you can hear now. This sound is a record of a plasma wave from beyond the solar system. In addition, it sent scientists data on temperatures outside the solar system. As I mentioned earlier, Voyager 2 is currently about 20 billion kilometers away from Earth, and it is still moving very fast. According to scientific data, it is traveling through space at a speed of about 59,800 kilometers per hour. Scientists have disabled more than half of this spacecraft's instruments today. Only those instruments are kept active through which scientists can communicate and collect information about the events happening in space. Actually, this spacecraft is equipped with a variety of instruments in its payload that assist scientists in various tasks. There is a sensor installed in the front part of this spacecraft which detects the direction of the Earth and keeps the direction of Voyager in accordance with it. This ensures that it is relatively easy for scientists to send signals to the spacecraft and receive signals from there. Additionally, a primary object has been set for the Voyager spacecraft, meaning it considers the Sun as the focal point and determines its direction accordingly. The Sun is the brightest object in our solar system, and by detecting its radiation, the spacecraft keeps moving in the opposite direction. If there is even the slightest change in its direction, the signals are immediately transmitted to scientists, allowing them to correct the spacecraft's course. As soon as this spacecraft sends the signal to the scientists, the time it took to send and receive the signal is transmitted to the scientists. Then, when the spacecraft sends the signal again, the scientists can determine where the signal took place. How long did it take to return to Earth? By calculating this time, scientists can find out how far the spacecraft has traveled from us and estimate its speed. However, Voyager is currently too far away for scientists to maintain contact with it. It has become quite challenging for Voyager, because if there is any activity, the message sent from there takes more than 20 hours to reach the scientists. Even if the scientists give it the command from here, Voyager will still be able to receive it. It takes more than 20 hours. Now you must be wondering how long will it remain in contact with our scientist. In fact, the batteries inside the Voyager spacecraft that are powering it are powered by plutonium. After so many years, that battery has become very weak. Although scientists had already disabled many of its tools to save battery, its validity has been significantly reduced. Scientists say that after 2025, the battery will become very weak. It will be so weak that it will be difficult for scientists to even maintain contact with it. Or you can also say that after 2025, we will be separated from these two passengers. After that, we won't be able to send messages to them, and the spacecraft won't be able to send messages to us. This moment is quite poignant for the entire human species, because for the last 50 years, these spacecraft have been sending us mysterious information about the universe. The moment when we lose contact will be emotionally significant for the entire global scientific community. However, friends, even after the loss of contact, both of these spacecraft will continue their journey in space for a long time, moving at the same speed. Who knows? During this journey, they may reach another galaxy. But unfortunately, by the time they go close to that galaxy, we will lose contact with them. But friends, the interesting thing is that the Voyager spacecraft carries a golden record inside it. This record contains many pictures and videos of the Earth. When scientists sent it, they thought that if it gets into the hands of an alien civilization, then that civilization will understand after seeing the material that there is an advanced species other than us in this universe. After that, the alien civilization will contact us. However, some scientists believe that sending this record could be a big mistake. Even if the tape accidentally gets into the hands of aliens, they will know about us, and if the aliens are more powerful than us, they can become a threat to humans. But friends, we can never forget what this mission has done for the human race, even if in words it is just a machine. But the emotions of the entire human race are attached to this machine, because thanks to it, we received information not only about the planets of our solar system, but also about what is happening outside the solar system. Now friends, What is your opinion about Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft? Have you seen the pictures he sent? Please let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.